Hello students, today's topic is indices and cube root. Previous year we learned about the index and indices. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We write this number multiplication in index form, that is 2 is multiplied in 4 times, so we write the index 4. 2 raised to 4. Now 2 is the base and 4 is the index. 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we learn some rules of the indices. Laws of indices. First one, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Here base is equal. Base is a equal base and there is the multiplication of index numbers. So a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n, the sum of the index. Second is a raised to m divided by a raised to n divisor, there is the subtraction between index m minus n. M is the greater number. When n is the greater number, then we write 1 upon a raised to n minus n. Fourth rule is a into b raised to m. A and b are the different number, so we write the index form a raised to m into a raised to m, b raised to m, a raised to m into b raised to m. When the index of any number is 0, then the answer is always 1. For example, 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 0, that is 1. Answer is 1. 25 raised to 0, answer is 1. A raised to 0, answer is 1. And when there is the negative index, so when we want to it become a positive, we write a raised to minus n equal to 1 upon a raised to m. A raised to m raised to n, index of the index number, so there is the multiplication between the index a raised to m into n. And a raised to b raised to minus m, this index may be positive when we take the reciprocal of this number, that is b upon a raised to n. Now we solve some example using the law of indices. First example is 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2. Base is equal and there is multiplication between this index number. So 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2, we use the a raised to m into a raised to n, that is we use a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. The summation of these two numbers 5 plus 2, that is 7. Second example, base is equal and there is the division between index number 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 9. So we take the subtraction between these two numbers 7 minus 9, that is minus 2, and we take positive index, that is 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Third example, 3 raised to 4 raised to 5. 4 into 5, 20. Use the property a raised to m raised to n. There is the a raised to m into n. Fourth number, 5 raised to minus 3. Here is the negative index and we want it positive. So we write 1 upon 5 raised to 3. And we use the law a raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to n. 5 raised to 0. Any index is 0 of any number, the answer is always 1. A raised to 0 equal to 1 and 5 raised to 1, that is the 5. 7 number, 5 into 7 raised to 2. We separate these two numbers. 5 and 7 are different bases, but they have the equal index. We write separately 5 raised to 2, 5 square into 7 square. And in the same way, 5 upon 7 raised to 3, and we changes into 5 raised to 3 upon 7 raised to 3. Ninth example is 5 upon 7 raised to minus 3. We want to change this positive number, so we take the reciprocal of this number, 7 upon 5. Answer is 7 upon 5 raised to 3. Raised to 3. Next topic is meaning of the numbers when the index is a rational number and it is in the form of 1 upon n. For example, we write as 4's cube. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 4's cube, index is 3, that is the rational number. But when we write cube root of 64 equal to 4, cube root, this is the symbol for cube root. Cube root of 64 equal to 4, and we write this thing in index form. We write as cube root, we write as 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 form equal to 4. Cube root of root 3. Cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Second example is 2 raised to 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 2 raised to 5 equal to 32, and we write that fifth root of 32 is equal to 2. Fifth root of 32 we write in the index form, 1 upon 5 equal to 2. Fifth root of 32 we read as fifth root of 32. A raised to 1 upon n. N is the root, nth root of a. We write this nth root of a. 5 raised to 1 upon 4, that is